Welcome. In this lesson we're going to create neon. Yes, neon. So the first thing we're going to do is press new so we can create a new document, 800 by 800. Click 1 to bring it to 100%. I'm going to choose my font of Calibri because it's more rounded and it doesn't have the serifs, because neon tubes to me is kind of round. 189 point, and I'm going to choose my font to be black, and I can go over here to my RGB and just go 000, press OK, and then type the word in capital letters NEON. Press enter my numeric keypad, press Control to center it, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn around and flatten this image by flattening it. Excuse me. By flattening it, it will rasterize the layer automatically. Now I'm going to press Control I to invert it. And now we're going to apply a filter. This opens up the filter menu. This is the last filter that was applied, and this is if you want to convert it to smart filters, which I believe will convert the layer automatically to a smart object. This is lens corrections, what we talked about before. Liquify we used in touching up some photos before. Vanishing point we're going to use in Photoshop 3. Here's some filters that you see. Just by chance, real quick here, if this was in 16-bit mode, some of these filters would be grayed out. Doesn't mean, it just means you can't use them because you're in 16-bit mode. You have to convert it to 8 in order to use them. Alright, so we're going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian. This is going to be one you're going to be very familiar with. And we're going to do a blur of 4.9 or 5. Just click OK. Then we're going to go to Filter, Stylize, and we're going to choose Solarize. As you can see, it's starting to come to shape here. And then we're going to go to Image, Adjustment, Levels, and then choose Auto, which will brighten it up real quick. And then we're going to choose Hue, Saturation, colorize it, and you can see already we have neon. Isn't that great? Just like that. Want to change the neon? Go ahead and change it. Change it to anything you like. You can have even a cute animation. Alright? Now I do want to give credit where credit is due. I did one or two things different, but I was able to give credit to Inside Graphics. Inside Graphics is where the tutorial on creating neon was in the first place. In the next lesson, we're going to create fire.